of the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important, and it is an essay on the environmental degradation, climate change, environmental pollution, and this essay consists in 5 parts. Number 1, introduction. Today I will present introduction. Number 2, causes of the environmental pollution or degradation. Number 3, its impact on the life. Number 4, international efforts. Number 5, national countries' efforts. Number 6, solution or recommendation. Number 7, conclusion. Let us start our essay. Environment is a discipline that occupies an important position in international discourse. Environmental degradation, climate change is the biggest environmental and humanitarian crisis of the present world. The issue of global warming, environmental degradation, climate change, pollution is no longer a fringe subject. It has evolved into a calamitous and looming fatal global menace. Every state of the world, including South Asian, African, Asian, European countries, face enormous challenges in its quest towards development and economic growth. Issues like limited land resources, energy shortfalls, environmental degradation, and depleting water resources pose a serious threat to global economy. Over the last few decades, there is a growing concern across the globe to protect the environment as well as to maintain the sustainable development. Sustainable development. Nature has been keeping itself in a state of balance. Man has disturbed and damaged this balance through irrational use of natural resources. Environmental degradation, global warming may bring about drastic changes in environment. The temperature and rainfall patterns around the world may alter, bringing about pronounced changes in the world. Facing record-shattering temperature and geopolitical tinderbox, world countries are scrambling to chalk out plans for combating and salvaging global warming goals laid out in various deals and agreements collectively framed by international community. The Earth's atmosphere is overloaded with heat-trapping carbon dioxide, which threatens large-scale disruptions in climate with disastrous consequences. Climate change exacerbates security challenges, impedes climate adaptation and mitigation efforts. It acts as vicious circle. Environmental degradation, climate change undermines state legitimacy by reducing states' capacity for service delivery and creating more space for non-state actors. It increases immense major social, political, and economic issues which naturally affect entire life cycle. Third world countries have not contributed towards environmental degradation or environmental pollution. Any delay in evolving a national consensus or global consensus on climate may not just result in more economic losses but also destruction of livelihoods, incomes, and loss of lives that can be avoided through better mitigation measures. The Loss and Damage Fund (LNDF) agreed in COP27 is considered a historic term for climate vulnerable developing countries in the global south. Environment is a discipline that occupies an important position in international discourse. Environmental degradation, climate change is the biggest environmental and humanitarian crisis of present world. The Earth's atmosphere is overloaded with heat-trapping carbon dioxide, which threatens large-scale disruptions in climate with disastrous consequences. Ozone layer is a gaseous substance in the upper atmosphere to higher altitude around the world. It is damaged by carbon dioxide gas, which results from burning process. This layer protects the Earth from very dangerous ultraviolet rays coming with sunlight, a hole that has been caused by the depletion of vital ozone by chlorine atoms released from man-made chemicals is causing fatal diseases. The hole discovered in America or United States of America by Sherry Ronald is expanding at alarming rate. The increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has greenhouse effects of heat trapping. It absorbs heat from sunlight without letting it to radiate back into space. Owing to this, the world temperature is rising. The world temperature has raised to alarming stage by 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Since the industrial and scientific revolutions, Earth resources have been gradually depleted. The number of hurricanes, cyclones, droughts, floods, etc. has risen steadily since the onset of 21st century. The supervillain behind all these changes is global warming. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. This is my first part of the essay, that is introduction. In next part of the essay, I will throw light on the causes of environmental degradation. Wish you good luck. See you in the next lecture.